Good morning, student. You all are welcome to Gyanmati online classes. Today I teach you the class 5, chapter number 4. What is your chapter's name? The real winners. The real winners. So this chapter was based on a what? Based on a athlete. Based on a athlete. What is athlete? What is the meaning of athlete? A sports person. Athlete means a sports person. So this chapter was based on an athlete. So what is the moral value of the story? First we discuss good players inspire themselves. Good players inspire themselves and great players inspire others. Yes, जो good players होते हैं वो दूसरों को inspire करते हैं, but great players inspire others. Sorry, जो good players रहते हैं वो खुद को inspire करते हैं, खुद को बड़ा मानते हैं, पर जो great player रहते हैं वो दूसरों को बड़ा समझते हैं. So let's start the chapter. Every 4 years, men and women from around the world come together to part in the greatest sporting competition on earth, the Olympic game. You all are know Olympic game. What is the Olympic game? What is the Olympic game? Olympic game is a game. In that game, many games are occur. Yes, and this Olympic game is occurred in every 4 years. Yes, every 4 years there is an Olympic game happen. So at this game, sports person from all over the world compete with each other to win medals and bring glory to their country. Records are broken and new champions are crowned. So in this Olympic game, there are many athletes are there. So they come to a place in many countries, several countries. So they are the glory of their country. Glory means proud. Glory means proud, and your crown means own. Crown means own. So they come and crowned the championship. They crown. Crown means they own the championship. But the Olympics are not just about the winning medal. They are about being good sports persons and thinking of other players as people with feelings and not just as competitors. So the Olympics is not only the mean of own the medal. The Olympic is not just the meaning of own medal, but it is a meaning of what? It is a meaning of what? Being a good person, become a good person, being a good person. Yes, and thinking of other players as people with feeling, not just as competitors. And they do not think. Okay, so they don't think other athlete with a competitor. Yes, they just think. They should think what? They should think the other athletes to their friends. Yes, they are also about enjoying the game rather than trying to win at any cost. Yes, in a game, everyone or every athlete try to what? Try to win in any cost. In the spirit that has made some Olympic athletes unforgettable, some athletes have been so selfless and so kind, and they will remembered long after the games are over. So some athletes are selfless athletes. Yes, some athletes are selfless athletes, and some athletes game or some Olympic games are remembered long after, remembered for many days. So as the founder of modern Olympics, Baron Pierre de Coubertin said, the important thing in this life is not triumph but the struggle. Triumph means victory. Triumph means victory. So what he said? He said the important thing in life is not the victory but the struggle. Not the triumph but the struggle. The essential thing is not to have conquered war, to have fought well. Yes. So let's come to the second phase. in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Abe de Agostino of the United States show the true Olympic spirit by helping a fellow athlete. So who helped? Who helped? Abe de Agostino. These are your hard words you just copied. Yes. So he had, yes, he had the fellow athlete. Fellow means the other athletes. In the 5,000 meter race, after Nikki Havlin of New Zealand tripped. Tripped means what? Tripped means fell down. Yes. Abe stumbled and fell over her. So who stumbled or who fell over Nikki? Abe. Abe fell over Nikki. Abe just fell on Nikki. Yes. So, but instead of getting up right away, and finishing the race, Abe helped Nikki get up. Then when Nikki just fell, then Abe did not say that let's stop our race or let's stop our game, but instead of that, Abe said get up, we have to finish the race of this Olympic. This is a game, this is not a simple game, this is an Olympic game, so please get up and we have to finish this game. Then like Abe de Agostino, many other Olympics have won our hearts, not only for their performance but also for their selfishness and generous behavior. So they don't proud of their game. They don't proud of their game and they play a selfless, a generous behavior. American Michael Phelps is one of the greatest swimmers of all time. Yes. So at the 2004 Olympics, in which Olympic? 2004 Olympics, he won 6 gold medals and 2 bronze medals. Who? Michael Phelps. Yes, Michael Phelps won what? Won 6 gold medals and 2 bronze medals. He could have won another medals in the relay. Yes, then at the 2008 Olympics at Beijing. Yes. So, at the 2000 Olympics at Beijing, in where the Olympics have occurred 2008 in 2008, it is occurred in Beijing, China. Yes. So when the Olympic occurred 2008, the American runner Shawn Crawford finished fourth in the 200 meters. So he just occurred the position of fourth, not first, the fourth. But meanwhile, the Martina and the Spearman, the two athletes, they were disqualified. So the silver medal was given to whom? The silver medal was given to whom? The American athlete Crawford. So at last the American athlete Crawford get the silver medal, but Crawford was not happy. Because it is the Martinez medal. So he just go to near Martina and just give that medal to Martina because it is deserve you, and he say it is deserve you, not I. Then perhaps the best known example of sportsmanship was seen at 1936 Olympics, Berlin, Germany also. Then a new example of sportsmanship happened in which Olympic? 1936 Olympic. Which Olympic? 1936 Olympic in Berlin, Germany. The famous athlete Jesse Owens. American athlete Jesse Owens. So also in the fray was German Louis Long, who had broken up. So who lost the game or who disqualified the game? Lodge. Yes, Lodge. Who disqualified the game? Lodge disqualified the game. Then when Lodge disqualified the game and he just bring a wrong step. Yes. So who had to them? Who had to learn? The Jesse Owens. The Jesse Owens had to Lodge. Jesse Owens had to Lodge in the which game? In long jump. Then Owens then managed a good jump and qualified for the final, where he won the gold with a new world record. Then Owens won the long jump and he won a gold medal. Won a gold medal in the what? Last Long won the silver. Owens are Long remained friends till Long was killed in World War II. So who killed in World War II? Lodge Long. Who killed? Lodge Long. But when he killed the previous days, the Lodge Long and the Owens, they were just friends. They were just true friends. So the real winners is based on many athletes or many sports person. So this is a selfless story. This is a selfless story of every sportsman. Yes, this is a selfless story of every sportsman. So the sportsmen are not proudy, not glory, but they are selfless. They are selfless. So the moral of the story is it is important to play. It is important to play well and enjoy the game. Yes, it is important to play well and enjoy the game. One should respect the teammates and opponents. Yes, we should respect the teammates and opponents, not cheat in the game. And we should follow the rules also. We should follow the rules in every game. So this is your chapter complete. So then we discuss the exercise. Yes, so let's discuss the exercise. Who was the founder of modern Olympics? You know, you just write what did Warren Prior discovered in belief was important in life. So you just try to you just sit in your home and try to do this exercise. Yes, this is your answer this following question. Answer this following question. Then this is your fill in the blanks, and this is your what? Put the tick. Yes, how sporting are you? तुम्हें क्या अच्छा लगता है, तुम क्या खेलते हो, तुम्हें खेलने में क्या चीज़ अच्छा लगता है, इधर आपको टिक करना है. The Olympics are held every next year. All are know this answer. The Olympics are held every 4 years. Every 4 years. Then this is what you can be selfless and generous not just in sports but in your daily life too. How about helping a friend who is feeling unwell and sharing notes with a classmate who missed school? Write 3 ways in which you can be kind and generous. So we should kind and generous not only in game. We should kind and generous in our daily life also. So how you kind and generous? Write the 3 steps or 3 ways in this blanks. Fill in the blanks. And this is a game. You don't write the meaning of the Olympics motto. Yes, write the meanings of the Olympic mottos. इसका मीनिंग आपको लिखना है. Yes. So the chapter is complete. The real winners and what is the moral value of this chapter? The moral value of this chapter is we should follow the rules in game and daily life also. Yes, we should be kind and generous in our daily life and in every game also. So this chapter is your complete. Thank you. Have a nice day.